I've been working for Prince George's County Public School Transportation for 12 years. The sound you just heard is a child checkmate sound. If you don't check the bus for those kids and take that key out of the ignition, then that sound goes off. Being a school bus driver is so important because you are the first thing the kids see in the morning and the last thing they see when they go home in the afternoon. So you keep that positive going and they go home with a big smile in the afternoon. I love my job. You get to meet wonderful kids and influence their life. What more can you ask for?